Hey everyone, this is Sean with Pew Pew Tactical, and today we're doing a field strip and reassembly of the CZ Shadow 2 Compact. To get started, press the magazine release and remove the magazine. Next, deactivate the safety so that you can push the slide to the rear while pushing up on the slide stop to hold the slide in place. Now, physically and visually inspect the chamber to make sure the firearm is empty. From here, we can pull the slide all the way back forward. This one is very stiff because it's very new, so I'm going to use an armorer's block along with a hammer with a very soft plastic tip. Now the purpose behind this is to push this takedown pin out while we line up these two lines in the back. That's difficult to do at the same time, but you've got to have room for this pin to come out. So a block is handy in order to help that happen. So while holding this lined up, we're going to tap on this takedown pin in the rear. Now that it's out a little bit, we're going to pull it the rest of the way. This will allow you, with the trigger depressed, to pull the slide all the way off. From here, compress the recoil assembly, pull it to the rear, then push down on the barrel and pull it back in order to complete disassembly. Now let's put it back together. Insert the barrel through the front of the slide, pull it back until it drops into place. Then insert the recoil assembly and compress the spring until it sits on the shelf. Now, line up the slots and the tabs to pull the slide back onto the frame. Once again, it's critical that we line up these 2 points on the frame and the slide in order to reinsert our takedown pin. It might need a little bit of wiggling to get into place, but with some firm pressure, you should be able to get it done. Now we'll function test. This firearm is functioning fine. This has been the takedown and reassembly of the CZ Shadow 2 Compact. For more information on this firearm and others just like it, head over to pewpewtactical.com.